There's a lot of beauty in the world. For example, we have lovely sunsets, we have waves crashing against rocks, and we have Silicon Power's memory card range, which come in various colours depending on which size card you go for. This is the 512GB version of the 3D NAND series, and it's a U3 and V30 card, meaning that if you want to record in 4K or full HD, then this card is good for you. You will receive the micro SD card and a converter, so you can use it as an SD card if you want to. It is waterproof, dustproof, temperature proof and X-ray proof. It is advertised as getting speeds of up to 100 megabits per second for the read and up to 80 megabytes per second for the write speed, and it's been featured in several buyers lists as one of the best budget memory cards you can get. But all this sounds great on paper. Let's get to testing and see if it can actually deliver the goods. We'll be comparing it against a 256GB Integral U3 V30 card. I know I've just said Integral instead of Integral, and I've done it for the remainder of the review as well, so sorry about that. Continue. A Samsung Evo 128GB U3 card, the Netac 128GB U3 A1 V30 card, and the Toshiba Xperia 128GB U3 card. Beginning with the benchmark test of each of the cards using Crystaldiskmark 7, and our external USB-C card reader brought excellent results for all of the cards, which is to be expected really, with the Silicon Power coming out on top. It is not the fastest when it comes to the write speeds, but it still gives great results. The Silicon Power, Integral and the Samsung Evo cards have the highest write speed when it comes to writing small files to the cards. Copying a 37.7GB file to each of the cards brought some interesting results. The Samsung Evo came in the quickest with a time of 8 minutes and 20 seconds, with the Integral finishing in 9 minutes and 49 seconds. There's a bit of a wait from there, with the Netac card coming in 3rd place, with the Silicon Power in 4th, and the Toshiba finishing last place with a rather slow 20 minutes and 23 seconds. We proceed to do another test, and this time we've copied 629 files with no file larger than 1MB in size, and it brought similar rankings, with the only change being that the Integral card overtook the Samsung card when writing smaller files. The Silicon Power is still in 4th place for this test, but it's still over twice as fast as the Toshiba Xperia card. If you want a budget card that will give you extra storage for your Nintendo Switch, then this card's fine. The official 256GB version of the Nintendo Switch card is available direct from Nintendo for £69.99, but you get twice the space for cheaper if you went with the Silicon Power 512GB version. If we look at the 128GB version of Silicon Power's cards and compare it to the 128GB versions of the cards of the brands that we've tested, you'll see that they're making waves in the storage world with the value that they're providing with their cards. If you want to use this card for a mobile phone, a dash camera, security camera or anything else that accepts a micro SD card, then check your user manual or manufacturer's website to ensure that your device can handle the larger micro SD cards. We've tested the card in our Xiaomi Poco phone, our Sony a6400 DSLR camera and the Panasonic HC VX980 camcorder, and it worked perfect in all of them. Overall, for the price, it's a very able card, giving amazing read speeds and very capable write speeds. Thank you for checking out the review. I'm going to go and have a very serious word with myself now for calling it Integral.